Hey, my name is Dustin, and today I'm going to show you the new and honestly pretty impressive 3D camera angle feature. It lets you generate multiple camera angles and perspectives directly from a single storyboard image, helping you create highly consistent shots that actually move your story forward, without needing to prompt everything manually. So let's dive in. We've got this already great looking storyboard here, but now we want to fine-tune it further. Let's take this shot as an example. We want to adjust the camera setup and perspective. In the edit section of the shot, and then right next to the image preview, you will find the new 3D camera angle feature. As you can see, you can move the camera freely in a full 360-degree space. So let's say we want to generate a slightly different perspective based on this shot. All we need to do is drag these colored handles to position the small black camera exactly where we want, and then click Generate. And there it is, the same shot, just from a completely new angle. You can experiment with this in all directions, and the results are constantly impressive. Especially coming from a filmmaker's perspective, I personally really love this feature. Now let me quickly show you the workflow I'd recommend if you want to create a sequence of consistent evolving shots. My tip: go into your storyboard and duplicate the shot you want to modify first. Then open the duplicated shot in edit mode, use the 3D camera angle tool to create a new perspective, and go back to your storyboard. From there, duplicate a shot again to generate another variation. As you build this out, you will start to see a very consistent shot-by-shot progression, all without having to constantly rewrite your shot descriptions. And here's a nice bonus. You can actually take even more control over the result. Right below the 3D model, you will find an additional prompt field. You can use this to add specific instructions. For example, if you want to create a back shot but also have a clear idea of what should appear in the background. Just type it in, hit generate, and voila! Not only is your camera perspective adjusted, but the background reflects your input as well. Pretty crazy, right? This works for all kinds of adjustments, so feel free to use that field whenever you want to guide the AI a bit more precisely. So to all the DPs, directors, and filmmakers out there, happy storyboarding with the new 3D camera angle feature.